All right, so we're pulling right into Farmington Bay right now. We've just gone through the gate, and we've got a couple really wet areas. Normally we refer to Pond 1 as this pond here on the left, but if we roll down the windows, we can actually hear lots of birds. So Pond 1 is on the left, but the right side has so much water right now, it's also a giant pond. And we're gonna find, right now, yellow-headed blackbirds and red-winged blackbirds. Lots of them around, great egrets, and some great blue heron. Lots of cars in front behind us. We got a great egret on the right coming up. Right now it's the 2 o'clock position.
Far away.
This is good, easy birding. You don't even have to get out of your car if you don't want. In fact, there's cars behind us and cars in front of us. A lot of people just birding right from their cars right now.
Muskrat, we saw that yesterday. Oh, look, there he is. We saw that yesterday.
They have long tails?
Yeah, looks like it.
Look at that.
So cool. Huh.
Maybe he's building a nest.
There he is. He's carrying stuff in his mouth.
So we're looking at a white-faced ibis right now. It's really overcasting with gray. So it's not shiny and metallic reflective. It's really dark. Got the sunlight on it.
Oh, they're snow egrets.
That
Their
was
feet are
really
yellow.
Snowy. Did you see those feet?
So we have the snow. We have we have 2 snow egrets over here.
We got a Forster's tern flying over this pond. Let's see how close he comes to us. Keeps circling around and around. Boom, dives in the water. He's back up. He's gonna fly right by us here in the pond. Here he comes. So we're just watching these Forster's turn. He's looking down, looking down, looking down.
Or like long neck down. He's eating a fish or something.
There's a black-crowned night heron out there. Yellow-headed blackbird out there.
Oh wow. Thank you for that.
A lot of ibi or white-faced ibises.
Okay, Ellie, when you're done, there's also the
Got an egret over here. Another egret. Whole bunch of ibi right here.
yeah, he's pretty.
It's a black-crowned night
He has red
heron.
eyes.
Oh, he's so
Look
cool.
how still he is. He just dive down there to get fish or something.
Look Look at that red wing. Oh, this is so cool. Look at that great egret. So cool. There's a ruddy duck out there that likes to pop up and then go back down. He's up right now, but he's gonna dive under. Oh, yep, and there he goes. So cool. Look at that ruddy duck. Look at that ruddy duck.
He is the prettiest ruddy duck I've ever seen.
Huh, wonder where he's going.